Welcome to Learn, your gateway to knowledge. Must like, comment and subscribe.
Subject: COMA Computer Application according to the syllabus provided by Wbchse. Semester 3, Part 3. Must like, comment and subscribe. Introduction. In this unit, we will learn about Python programming, data types and errors. What are data types? A data type is a classification that specifies the type of value a variable can store and the operations that can be performed on it. Must like, comment and subscribe. There are various types of data types as follows. Number 1, number type, used to store numeric values such as integer expressed by int. It represents whole number, positive or negative, no decimal point. Unlimited size depends on memory. For example, 10 minus 25 0. Next one is float point, floating point represented by float. Decimal numbers used for real numbers. Example 3.14 minus 2.5 0.0. Scientific notation 1.5e3. As for example, it means 1500.0. Next one is complex. It is expressed by complex numbers with real and imaginary parts. Imaginary parts uses j. For example, 2 plus 3j or 5j, etc. Number 2, Boolean type. Bool represents logical values, only two values, true, false, used in conditions, decision making statements, etc. Number 3, sequence type. Sequence stores multiple items in ordered form, such as string represented by str. String is a collection of characters enclosed in single or double quotation. It is immutable. For example, within double quotation hello, within single quotation Python, etc. Next one is list. It is ordered collection. It is mutable, that is can be changed. Uses square brackets. As for example, within square bracket 1, 2, 3, or within square bracket double inverted quotation apple, in double inverted quotation banana, etc. Next one is tuple. Ordered collection, immutable, cannot be changed once created. Uses parentheses. For example, within first bracket or parenthesis 1, 2, 3 and follows. So there are three kinds of sequence types you already learned. Number 4, none type. It is a special data type, represents absence of values, has only one value, none. type is none type, used when a variable has no values, a function doesn't return value or anything. Number 5, mapping type, such as dictionary, represented by dict. It stores data in key value pairs. It is unordered, but later versions the dictionaries are ordered. It is mutable, that is once created can be changed. Uses curly braces. For example, within second bracket or curly braces, within double inverted quotation name is to, within double inverted quotation Rahul, comma, within double inverted quotation age is to 18. Here name is the key and Rahul is the value and age is the key and 18 is the value. Keys must be unique. Next one is mutable and immutable. Mutable data types can be changed after creation, as per example list, dictionary, set, etc. Immutable data types cannot be changed after creation, as per example int, float, complex, string, tuple, boolean, none. Type conversion. There are two types of type conversion. First one is implicit type conversion or automatic type conversion or widening type conversion. It is done automatically by Python interpreter. As per example, a equal to 5. Here 5 is treated as integer. So next one is b equal to 2.4 or 2.0. Float c equal to a plus b. It will give result 7.0. Here Python converts integer to float automatically. Integer means the value of a, which is 5. It is automatically converted by Python in 5.0, then added 5.0 plus 2.0 equal to 7.0. Next one is explicit type conversion or typecasting or narrowing type conversion, done manually using functions by user or programmer. As for example, we have to remember some functions and what it does. Int function converts into integer, float function converts into float, str function converts into string, bool function converts into bool, list function converts into list, tuple function converts into tuple. Expression is a combination of variables, literals, operators, function calls, etc. that produces a value. As for example, 5 plus 3, a star b, x greater than 10, etc. The next one is 10 plus 5 star 2, etc. Later we will know about expression types, that is infix, postfix or prefix. Statement. A statement is a complete instruction that Python executes. It may or may not return a value. Type of statement: assignment statement, conditional statement, loop statement, functional definition or function definition statement, import statement. For example, x equal to 10, it is assignment statement because 10 is assigned to x. Print x, it is output statement. If x greater than 5, it is conditional statement. Every expression can be part of a statement, but not every statement is an expression. Evaluation of expression. Expression evaluation means calculating the final result step by step using precedence rules. As for example, 5 plus 2 star star 3 star 4. Step 1. At first, high precedence is selected, which is exponent operator. 2 exponent 3 equal to 8. Next one is product or star operator. 8 star 4 equal to 32. Next one is 5 plus 32 equal to 37. And final answer is 37. Accepting input from console. Python uses input function. For example, syntax: variable equal to input within bracket message. As for example, name equal to input within double quotation enter your name, print name. An important note: input always return string. If you need number, then put int function before input. As for example, a is equal to int input enter age. Displaying output. Python uses print function for it. Basic example: print hello. Mutable values: print within double inverted quotation age colon comma 20. Using f string based mode, name equal to Rahul, print f within double quotation my name is within curly braces name quotation end. Errors in Python. Now, errors or bugs are problems in a program that cause it to behave incorrectly or stop execution. In Python, errors are mainly divided into two types: compile time errors and runtime errors. Compile time errors. These errors occur before the program runs, during parsing or compilation. These are various kinds such as lexical error, occur due to invalid characters or incorrect tokens. The Python interpreter cannot recognize the symbol used. As for example, using @ hash or invalid symbol properly in code. Next one is syntax error. occur when Python grammar rules are violated. The structure of statement is incorrect. As for example, missing colon after if, missing parentheses in function call. Python shows a syntax error message. Next one is static semantic error, occur when syntax is correct but meaning is wrong according to language rule, detected before execution. For example, using a variable before declaring or assigning it. Incorrect number of parameters in a function definition. Next one is number 2, runtime errors. These errors occur while the program is running. Some kinds are logical errors. The program runs without crashing but produces incorrect output due to wrong logic. As per example, using wrong formula for calculating area, wrong condition in loop. Next one is dynamic semantic error, which is called exceptions, occur during execution due to invalid operations. Python stops the program and shows an error message. Example, divide by 0 or division by 0, which is called zero division error, assigning invalid index error, file not found error, etc. Comparisons, error type when it occurs, an example. Lexical error, invalid token, for example, illegal character. Syntax error, grammar mistake, for example, missing colon. Static semantic error, meaning mistake before execution, for example, wrong parameter use. Logical error, wrong logic, for example, incorrect output. Dynamic semantic error, it occurs during execution, for example, divide by 0, etc. This video helps even one person. I'll be more encouraged and will continue making more videos. If there are any unintentional mistakes, I'll gladly accept your valuable feedback. I'll try to provide various topic-based videos related to computers following the higher secondary syllabus in both English and Bengali. Best wishes to all students and heartfelt thanks to everyone else. Must like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Must like, comment and